guys, welcome back to the Nitro Learning Python course. So today we're going to learn about dictionaries. Now let's just start by learning what is a dictionary. So they're key value pairs. So let's say I made a key of apple, I might say 99 cents or 0.99. And the methods are .keys, .values. They can also be indexed, not sliced, because the way you index them is with the key, which you'll see soon. Now let's code. Now dictionaries are useful because let's say you want to do that price thing. So let's say prices is equal to, now let's say we did it without dictionaries, with nested lists. We'd say apple 0.99, and then another list we'd say kale, and maybe $1.30, and banana, and we'll call that about 50 cents. This is really tricky. We'd have to say prices of 1, prices of like 0 or 1. And you can notice we get another list. So you'd actually have to do prices of 0 and you'd get apple. Prices of 0 of 1, you'd get 99 cents. That's a bit complicated and it's quite hard to understand. So I don't like it. Let's try using a dictionary instead. We'll call it the same thing, prices, except this time we use curly braces and we'll say apple, and then its value is 99 cents. Then we say banana, and we call it 50 cents. And we'll say kale, $1.30. Now if we say prices, and we want another price of apple, we get that. We can just index it with the key name. And you can do this the same way with any other key. Apple, or not apple, prices, kale. We get 1.3, meaning it already rounded that and made it simple. So that's a nice feature. Now let's go on to those methods we were talking about. So there are two main methods. First one is .keys. This returns all the keys. So in this case, it'll say apple, banana, kale. It looks a little more complicated, but the idea is just you can see apple, banana, kale in this case. And if we say prices .values, it's basically the same thing, except instead of keys here it says values, and we have the values here. That's all there is to it. I hope you learned something, and as always, this was Nitro Learn.